Okay, let's take some gadgets for today's video. I will take this one, and oops, this one. Let's test them.
Okay, if I made some mistakes in English, don't forget that English is my second language, so forgive me, please.
And hello everyone, welcome to a new episode in my beast called Volkswagen Scirocco. Today we are making a video about Wish gadgets. I have a couple of amazing gadgets from Wish and I have a lot of them which are right now in transportation somewhere in the world. So let's see what I have for today's video. First gadget which I have is a cleaning tool for ventilations. So let's open it and see how it works. Okay. Oops. Cool. So as you can see, you have this brush and you have cord which will go like this, I think, something like that, and then you can install it in ventilation and check it. So let's see how it works.
Okay, this is how this thing looks, and I think I'm gonna do stuff like this. Okay, so clean like this, and like this, other side. And on the other side you have brush, so you can clean those vertical lines. Amazing tool, really. This will help a lot because these ventilation openings are always magnet for dirt and dust. So we'll do the same thing here. And you can clean this dust from sides. Look this. You see dust? Ooh, it scratch. It makes scratches on this chrome part. You see? It's not so amazing.
Second gadget which I have is pen for removing scraps on car. So I see a lot of time that this thing absolutely doesn't work, but we can test it and see. Maybe it works for really small scratches, but it's not expensive. And let's open it. Oh fuck, I don't have any knife here. Maybe we can. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. Hey, so I get this kitchen knife. So let's open this thing and see how it works. Oh, it's so sharp. I love those knives. Oops. I get a lot of paper. Okay, I think we have enough. Oh, you have replacement pins for this. Okay, this is all the pins.
This is what Columbus say when he discovered America.
There is no pin. So we need to install one. Whoa. So let's check how to install. And I destroyed. Then you press it, it will release the liquid. Okay, so So this is how it looks. We will see if it actually works. Okay, let's go and see if this thing will work.
And this is not promising for now. As you can see, it leaves a lot of mark.
Okay, next gadget is something which I really need, and that's magnet for phone. Because I'm recording with phone, it will be hard to test this. But let's open it and see how it works. Again, this boring packaging. But this time the plastic is a little bit harder. I'm making so much mess in my car. Okay, okay. And let's see what we get inside. One piece of metal, I think. And what this? Yeah, this is the base. Oh, okay, so this thing maybe will work. Let me see. Huh. I can install this here. No, here, definitely here. Okay, let's go and see if this thing will work. As you can see, there is tape and this is the magnet, and I will install it somewhere here. Okay, it's really hard. Okay, I will install this somewhere in the middle of my phone case, because it's better to install it on case. It will hold harder, definitely. Okay, it will looks a little bit ugly, but it will works. Okay, this is amazing. I think this will help me a lot.
Please subscribe on my channel, click on this bell so you will always get notification when I upload something new. I really have big plans with this channel, and I quit my job and I'm searching a new job, but I have time to record those videos, and I'm really hoping the YouTube will become my new job. I'm so bored of working from 8 till 5, trust me. So please support, please share, please like, and you will get amazing content, trust me. So till next video, see you.